you all have seen my cow trap tutorial, but basically, that's not it. I'll be showing you guys how to make something special. Basically, let's get into the video. Minecraft tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make the chicken farm. Now, chicken farm is kind of easy, but better. Let's hope this one goes really smooth than the cow trap. What you're gonna need is basically, I'll pull out my inventory. So go ahead, go in your inventory, and get ready for the stuff you need to collect. Grab yourself some chests. Grab yourself some hoppers. Grab any specific block you need, like use blue wool. But I'll be using blue concrete, light blue concrete. Then grab yourself some redstone. Redstone repeaters, redstone comparators. You grab yourself a dispenser. Then you'll need a sticky piston. And then you basically need some other materials. You'll need a piece of glass, a lever, and some chickens. But since I only have one space in my inventory, I'll just grab myself the piece of glass we need. You can also use a piece of glass pane if you want. I prefer using a glass block. So once you have all the materials, you want to figure out what you're going to start building? Let's start building it now. First step you're going to do is you're going to create a rectangle treasure chest. So first I'm going to delete some of my stuff here. So create like a rectangle treasure chest. Alright. Then they want you to place 2 hoppers. And how to place 2 hoppers, if you're on Xbox or PlayStation or PC, if you're on Xbox, you basically hit the right joystick. If you're on PlayStation, you hit the right joystick as well. And if you're on PC, you right click on the mouse and place 2 hoppers. You want the hoppers to face each way. Alright. Now next you're going to go ahead and create the base of it. This might get a little tricky. So let's go and create. So I think you need 3 wool on this side. You only need 3 on his side, I think. I'm not sure how many blocks you will need specifically, but try your best making the best block you could. Almost fine. Almost fine. I want to say how many blocks. I don't know how many I count blocks, but I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Oh yeah, so I'm back. So I basically had to create a square. You want to create like a square with the length of 4 and the width of 5. Then down below you want to place repeaters and comparators, but you want to place your redstone first. Place redstone right there. Why is it fart? Oh. I think that's how you do it. And you want to place a repeater right there. Make sure you leave it to 1 tick, and you want to put a comparator, leave it to 1 tick. That's what it is. And once you got that, let's move to the next step. Now the next step is you want to create your next step. You want to go ahead and go behind this, and you want to go ahead and create. Wait a second. Hang on a second. I think I screwed up. Okay, I am back. So I had to fix the malfunction problem. So next you're going to go ahead and grab your dispenser. And you want to have your dispenser facing towards where the hole is. Then go ahead and grab your piston. Make sure it's sideways, and add a piece of redstone next to the piston. Now it says here, crouch while placing the hopper to avoid opening the dispenser. So if you look closely, top of it, you want to place the dispenser up here. Be careful not to open the dispenser. Use the crouch button, whether if you're on Xbox, PlayStation, or PC. Next, you're going to go ahead and place a couple more of your block. Then you want to put a piece of glass and hit crouch next to on one of the hoppers. And I think that's pretty much it for the glass. You go ahead and get rid of our glass, and you grab your levers and go and grab your levers, and you want to place your lever right there. And if you hit that block, if you press down on your lever, that piston should move that block. That's what's there to suffocate the chickens. That's why it's called a chicken farm. What's next? Now you want to build your dome. You want to go ahead and build everything up to about, I say... Stop, Steven. I say about 3. You want to make sure you cover that whole area. Huh. Yeah, you want to make sure you cover that whole area up. Bro. I think that's what you have. And you want to go ahead and basically make next your rectangle. I make like I say about 6 rectangle. Make like a rectangular prism shape, like dimensional cube. And I think that's it. And you want to throw your eggs into the chicken farm. So go ahead and delete every material you have and grab yourself the spawn chicken. And throw some chickens in there. So most thing you want to do is you want to throw it. It's the throw chicken. And you basically want to feed the chicken. Alright, it's time to begin. Okay then, so as you can see, your chicken should be right about there. The chicken's like right, I think it's in there. This is quite bad. But once that chicken's in there, if you press the lever, it should suffocate them. But he's still in there. Like, guys, if you look closely, my chicken's still like right in there. So I'm gonna go and grab the spawn chicken again. Give me something. See what promise it like. So I'm going to grab myself a piece of glass. I want to fix this real quick. Kind of like that, for example. Okay, there we go. So go ahead. Once your chicken's in there, you want to press a lever. And then there you go. That's how you make the chicken farm. So I had to fix some stuff. So basically, you want to push that back and place your chicken in there. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. And I promise you guys, tomorrow I'll release making the bounce house. I'll make the bounce house actually right now. So I'm gonna go and upload this video, and we'll go and make the bounce house. Like a Hellcat.